Hello, you fabulous people. It's tea time with Tia. How are you today? Well, I am coming back because I have been asked to put together a tutorial about head wrapping. There's a technique that will keep your head wrap in place regardless of your hair being long or short. Now, of course, I keep my hair on the shorter end. Therefore, because I don't have any dreads or long hair to help keep my head wrap in place up top, it is important for you who have short hair like me to just cover it up with a scarf. Make sure it's the type of scarf where it doesn't affect your edges, and make sure your hair is moist underneath your scarf so that your hair doesn't dry out. And the reason why I chose to put a cap on, for that very reason, because I mostly use cotton type of material. And when you're dealing with cotton can dry your hair out. So here we go. The first thing you want to do is make sure your head wrap is folded over. You have the most optimal use of it. So you just put it around your head, and what I do is I take my hand around like this, and then I keep my hand in place so I can hold the position of my head wrap, and I take the rest and I just kind of wrap it around that, and then I have it in place and it's secured with the rest of my scarf. Then I just continue to try to keep it flat as possible and continue to wrap. Now, when I go to the fabric stores, I always order enough fabric and just so that I can make it taller. So it's your preference. Use your preference, okay? For me, I will probably, this piece here is about a yard. Now, when it comes to fabric, they come in different types of inches. Like they come in 60-inch widths or 45. 45 is not going to be as wide as the 60. Okay, so this piece here is 60. So you see how I did that? And all you do is when you get to the top and you're comfortable where it stops, you just want to go ahead and tuck it. Now, this is not perfect, but this gives you an idea. Okay, and practice does make perfect. Now, I am very particular some days about my scarf than others, depending upon what I have going on. And I like my tuck to be secured, because one thing you don't want to do is having to be on the go and then your scarf falls apart. So this is how it goes, ladies. And the reason why I wear a head scarf is not for religious purposes. I want to clarify that. The reason for me wearing a scarf is because, first of all, I get cold. And I cannot stand for my head to get cold because I do have a very low haircut. In the wintertime, I love having the different colors to support my hair, because my look, because I don't want to have the same boring color on every single day with every outfit. So I have quite a few different colors to go with the outfits I wear. So that's the reason why I wear a head wrap. And even though, in the summertime, there are times where the sun is just so hot that it is an actual protection, gives you protection from the sun if you don't want the heat just constantly beaming down on your head. So I hope that this tutorial helps you, as this is my first time doing an actual tutorial. But nevertheless, I really enjoyed showing you how to wrap your hair. And until the next time you sit with me, God bless you. Enjoy your tea.